President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev has attended the inauguration of Rostov-Khanega-Gyurfa, Rostov-Noydon-Shuduk, Rostov-Mashkakhaja, Rostov-Bakhchali-Yektar highways in Guba after major overhaul. Chairman of Azeraftayol Open Joint Stock Company Saleh Mammadov informs the head of state of the reconstruction work. The head of state then cut the ribbon symbolizing the opening of the newly reconstructed roads.